Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Dorian, and on today's video we'll be learning das modal verb können, which means can. Nicht können or kein können will mean cannot. A modal verb is a helping verb. That means it cannot stand on its own and have a full meaning. It always depends on the main verb to have a complete meaning. So when you are making a sentence with a modal verb, it means that you will conjugate the modal verb and put it in the second position, while the main verb, which says what the person is doing, actually will be at the end of the sentence, not conjugated. Today we are looking at the verb können. Verb können can be used to express the following: Möglichkeit, showing possibility of doing something; Fähigkeit, one's ability or capability of doing something; Erlaubnis, you can use the modal verb können to show that something is allowed. When you say nicht erlaubt or kein erlaubt, it means that that thing is not permitted or not allowed. Höfliche Bitte is polite request. With modal verb können, you can ask somebody something politely. Vorschlag, making a suggestion. With this modal verb können, you can suggest something to someone. Now let's look at how modal verb können is conjugated in the present tense. Welcome back. Können, can. Ich kann, I can. Du kannst, you can. Sie können, you can. Kann, he can. Sie kann, she can. Es kann, it can. Sie können, they can. Wir können, we can. Ihr könnt, you guys can. Let's see examples. Nina kann Sport treiben. Nina can do sports. Tina kann nicht Sport treiben. Tina cannot do sport. Die Damen können nicht kochen. The ladies cannot cook. Die Dame kann etwas Leckeres kochen. The lady can cook something delicious. Die Jungen können im Feld Fußball spielen. The boys are allowed to play football in the field. Das Kind kann nicht im Feld Fußball spielen. The child is not permitted to play football in the field. Du kannst jeden Morgen ein Fahrrad fahren. You can ride a bike every morning. Du kannst kein Fahrrad in die Wüste fahren. You can't ride a bicycle in the desert. Können die Kinder mir ein Bild bitte malen? Can the children paint a picture for me, please? Kann das Baby mir bitte kein Bild malen? Can the baby not paint a picture for me, please? Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Tschüss!